New Zealand researchers use new algorithms to manage bird flu. University of Canterbury Associate Professor of Data Science Alex Gavryushkin is co-leading work to develop technology that could provide real-time predictions in response to health and biosecurity events. Our algorithms can present a range of possible outbreak scenarios, rather than just the one that's the most statistically plausible, as well as updating their predictions in real time. With this new technology, results can be updated in real time, revising previous calculations. New Zealand is a small population with a high dependence on biology-rooted industries, he said, adding applying powerful AI algorithms supports health, growth and innovation in a large global economy.